The moon is Earth's only natural satellite at about one quarter the diameter of Earth to the width of Australia. It is the largest natural state in the solar system reactive to the size of planet. The 50 largest satellite in the solar system overall and is larger than any dwarf planet orbit Earth at an average distance of 3,84,400 km or about 30 minutes. Earth's diameter, its gravitational Earth day and is the main drive of diameter Earth. The moon is classified as a object and a different rocky body and lacks any atmosphere, hydrogen or magnetic field. Its surface gravity is about one sixth of Earth. Jupiter's moon in the only satellite in the solar system known to have a higher surface gravity and destiny. The moon orbit around the earth has a side periods of 27.3 days. During each side periods of 29.5 days, the amount of surface illuminated by the sun from none up to 100% resulting in lunar phase. The form the base of the month of a lunar calendar. The moon is log to earth, which means that the earth of a full rotation of the moon on its own axis cause its same side, the near side, to always face earth and the somewhat longer lunar day in the same as the periods. That said, 59% of the total lunar surface can be seen from earth through in due to libration. The most widely accepted origin explanation posted that the moon formed about 4.51 billion years ago, not long about Earth, out the form a impact between the planet and a Mars-sized body called Troy. It then to a orbit because of with the Earth. The near side of the moon is marked by dark which fill the space between bright highlands and most of the large impact and surface were in place by the end of previous the large some large 3 billion years ago. The lunar surface is non-reflective with a just brighter than that of. However, before it has a large diameter. The full moon is the brightest object in the night sky. The moon size is nearly the same as that of the sun, allowing it the cover the sun almost completely during a total solar. Both the moons in the earthly sky and its regular cycle of phases have provided an influence of human societies throughout history. Such influence can be found in language, calendar system, art, and mythology. The first artificial object to reach the moon was the Sovereign Luna 2, spacecraft in 1959. This was followed by the first successful soft landing by Luna 9 in 1966. The only human lunar mission to date have been those of the United States Apollo program, which landed 12 men on the surface between 1969 and 1972. These and later missions returned lunar rocks that have used to develop a understanding of the moon's intern- internal structure and history. The usual English proper name of for Earth natural satellite is simply the moon. When a the non-moon is derived from Old English munna, which like all its stream from minon, which is turn comes from minons for earlier, which may be returned to be web. The moon, the name Luna is used in scientific writing and in science fiction to the earth from others, while in poetry Luna has been used to denote of moon. In other poetry